In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Asana, providing a beginner overview for 2025. Whether you're exploring Asana for the first time or need a refresh, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to set up and make the most out of Asana's free plan. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to asana.com. You'll notice the Get Started button prominently featured on the homepage. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to sign up either using your email or your Google account. For this demonstration, we'll opt for the basic or free plan. Great news, no credit card is required, so you can explore all that Asana has to offer without any initial commitment. Now let's take a quick look at what you get with Asana's free plan in 2025. It includes unlimited tasks, projects, messages, and activity logs, which means you can create as many to-dos and projects as you need. You'll also enjoy unlimited storage with a limit of 100 megabyte per file, which is quite handy for storing documents or images related to your tasks. You're allowed up to 10 teammates in a workspace, making it ideal for small teams or personal use. Additionally, you can switch between list, board, and calendar views, giving you flexibility in how you visualize your workflows. Basic search and reporting features are available as well, which help keep things organized and easy to navigate. And finally, Asana offers basic integrations with useful tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Outlook. These features collectively make it a great choice for enhancing both team collaboration and personal productivity. Setting up your first workspace is simple. Choose a name that suits either your personal projects or your team. Once inside your workspace, you can set up projects with ease. Think along the lines of marketing plan, content calendar, or even personal goals. These projects act as containers for your tasks and subtasks that need to be completed. Adding tasks is straightforward, with options to include subtasks under each, which helps break down larger items into manageable actions. With Asana's free plan, you have access to different organizational views. The list view gives you a traditional task list layout, perfect for straightforward task management. The board view presents tasks in a Kanban style, ideal for visualizing workflows. Meanwhile, the calendar view allows you to see tasks organized by their due dates, helping you stay on top of deadlines. Collaboration in Asana is seamless. You can add up to 10 teammates for free, allowing for a cohesive and collaborative working environment. Each task can have one assigned owner, but don't forget to add collaborators. This way, everyone involved stays updated on progress. Plus, you can leave comments and upload files on tasks, making communication easy and centralized.